Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. First of all, we are very thankful for your support. Keep supporting us, share with your friends. So in this drug inspector microbiology standard questions, let's continue from question number 31. So question number 31, micrococci are differentiated by staphylococci by. The options are option A, OF test, option B, oxidase test, option C, POR test, option D, motility test. So the right option is option A, OF test. Then question number 32, selective medium for streptococci is. The options are option A, milk agar, option B, crystal violet blood agar, option C, McConkey agar, option D, TCBS. So the right option is option B, crystal violet blood agar. Then question number 33, drug of choice for vancomycin resistant Staphylococcus aureus is. The options are option A, cloxacillin, option B, methicillin, option C, teicoplanin, and option D, linezolide. So the right option is option D, linezolide. Then question number 34, most common organism associated with stitch abscess is. So the options are option A, Staphylococcus epidermidis, option B, Staphylococcus hemolylicus, option C, Staphylococcus lugdunensia, option D, Staphylococcus saproticus. The right option is option A, Staphylococcus epidermidis. Then question number 35, sensitivity tests for Mycobacterium tuberculosis are carried out by the following methods except. The options are option A, absolute concentration method, option B, resistance ratio method, option C, proportion method, and option D, ratio comparative method. So the right option is option D, ratio comparative method. Then question number 36, Prudentia shrati is sensitive to one of the following disinfectant. The options are option A, glutaraldehyde, option B, cetrimide, option C, chlorhexidine, and option D, sulfur sulfonamide. So the right option is option A, glutaraldehyde. Then question number 37, PLET medium for Bacillus anthracis contains all except. The options are option A, polymyxin, option B, lysozyme, option C, lysostaphin, option D, thallus acetate. So the right option is option C, lysostaphine. Then question number 38, Shigella dysentery type 1 is. Option A, catalase negative, option B, catalase positive, option C, indole positive, and option D, oxidase positive. So the right option is option A, catalase negative. Then question number 39, all are true about pneumonic plague except. The options are option A, spread by droplet infection, option B, cause hemorrhagic pneumonia, option C, highly infections, and option D, it is not fatal. So the right option is option D, it is not fatal. Then question number 40, true about Francisella tularensis. The options are option A, non-motile gram positive bacillus, option B, infection of reticuloendothelial system, option C, motile gram negative bacilli, option D, it is not a zoonotic infection. So the right option is option B, infection of reticuloendothelial system. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, enter your thoughts, doubts, clarification in our comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.